Next, Mike started his bike tour around cafe customers in Barcelona to do a regular check-in to see if there are any problems with their brewed coffee.
Which is where Cropster Cafe comes in. It gives us a very clear and complete picture of the use of that coffee in the coffee shop.
Keep and maintain the relationship with our wholesale clients. What we try to do is to be there next to them. We go and visit them even if they don't need anything. We go there every week and try to adjust so they feel confident with the coffee they are working with. The more numbers we have, the best coffee we will be able to serve to our customers and to deliver to our wholesale partners.
By using the new Cropster connector, Brew Beacon, then you can start analyzing collected data with Cropster Cafe software.
We can see how cafes are extracting the coffee, how they're using our coffee, analyze the recipes they're using. So if they call me on a day where I'm not physically able to visit their cafe, I can quickly log on to Cropster Cafe, have a quick look at what they've done throughout the day, help them without actually being present, which means that I can help a lot more people in a more involved way.